Hello, this is Muhammad Ali, and this is quiz 6 of CSC 110 Spring Quarter. So my first question is asking to write a function. Actually, I'm supposed to talk about the question 2, but anyway, to do the question 2, I imported the int from the random module to roll some dice, random dice. So this is the function to roll dice, and I set a roll dice to empty list here, and I said for I in the range, roll the dice twice. So roll equals to random numbers from 1 to 6, and then the roll dice will add the first roll dice will add append it to roll up here to the list, and then we'll do it again and we'll add up here, and then we'll return the roll dice, which I'm using this as a help function for the question 2 down here. And question 2 is write a function. Basically roll 2 dice until the sum is prime. So what I did was I create the prime list here, 2, 3, 5, and 7, 11, and I said variable stop list equal to the prime numbers here, and I have the sum of numbers equal to set it to 0, so it can initially just start from 0. So I don't want to kind of find it helpful that way. And then the roll dice, just the empty list here, and I said while the sum of numbers not in the stop list, basically the prime numbers here, we'll roll the dice and and then have the sum of numbers equal to the sum of the roll dice, and then that will do it until it hits the prime number, and then I have the roll dice append the sum of numbers that the dice was rolled, and then return the roll dice, and then just call the function here. Okay, so if I run the function here, see it kind of one try hit the prime number here, number 5, but I can try to run again and see if gives us a different option, and that hits 2. Just try again. Just looking for a bigger number, maybe. Oh, keeps going back to that. Let's see. Well, you can see now it tried once, twice, 3 times, and then it hit the prime number, just the 7 here in the stop list, and that executed there. Oh, okay. I think that's it. Thank you.